Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about join function in string. That means how can we join two or more strings together with the help of separators. So let us understand this. It returns a string which is the concatenation of these strings in the sequence. So what do you mean by sequence? Sequence can be a list, it can be a tuple, or it can be a string. So any sequence we can take and we can join them together with the help of a separator. It joins the substrings together with the help of separator in between. Now my separator can be a full stop, it can be a hyphen, or it can be anything else. So what is the syntax for writing this? Separator dot join, in the bracket we are passing a sequence. So the separator which we want to join in between the substrings, we are mentioning it in the beginning. After that, with the help of dot operator, we are writing join function. And inside join function, we have only one parameter, that is sequence. That means the list or tuple or a string we are going to join together. For example, we are saying separator is equal to hyphen. We have taken a separator as hyphen and my sequence is this. So this is a tuple, and what my tuple is containing? 12 January 2009, and all these three are in the form of strings. Next, print separator dot join of sequence. So SEP is a variable which is containing the separator by which I am going to separate them, and join operation is containing sequence which I am going to concatenate with the help of separator. So finally I'll get the result in this way. That means this is my first string 12. After that I got one hyphen which is my separator. Then I got another string, and after that again I got a separator hyphen, and then my last string. So these three strings are concatenated with the help of a separator hyphen. And this is the functionality of my join function. It joins the sequence with the help of a separator in between. So we can have a look practically also. Let's say I'm saying separator is equal to, this time I'm going to take one comma, right? And we can create one sequence also. So variable name can be any. I want to write 1, 2, 3, right? And if I write sep dot join inside sequence, then I'll get the result in this way. Now my 1, 2, 3 strings are separated with comma. Similarly, if I'll change the separator as dot, then what will happen? It will happen in this way. Now between 1, 2, 3 strings, what has appeared? Dot. Because my separator is dot right now. I can do it in this way also, like directly I can write print hyphen dot join sequence. Then also I'll get the result in this way. That means the separator directly also I can write in the form of a string before my join function, or I can hold it into a separate variable also, and then I can use it in this way. So this is user's choice, how the user feels comfortable in applying any concept. So it's not necessarily to be held into a separate variable, but directly also we can use it here. So in this way we use join function in our string. Now, as we can change a separator, we can have a different sequence also. Like for example, I'm going to take separator as hyphen, and I'm going to take this sequence, I'm going to take a list. Okay, so list 1 is equal to, or we can take a tuple, because list example we have already taken. So tuple 1 is equal to, I'm taking over here 12 January 2009. The same example I have shown you in PPT, I'm taking here. And finally, I'm going to write sep.join because sep is a variable which is holding my separator and my sequence name is tuple 1. Then I'll get the result in this way. Now my first string is 12. Then I got the hyphen. Then my second string Jan. Then I got again hyphen and then my last string. So in between the strings, the separator has been added. Not before that and not after that. But in between only it is added. So that we can join the different strings together. So this is performing concatenation operation along with the separator. This is a combination of both. I hope the concept is clear to you. I will come with more information in my next tutorial. Keep watching, keep practicing. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.